Welcome to our channel where we bring you the best in car care products. If you are tired of constantly waxing your car and want a long-lasting solution, you are in the right place. Today we'll be reviewing the top 10 ceramic car coatings that will keep your car looking shiny and new for longer. Let's dive right in. At the first position of our list, we have CarGuys Hybrid Wax Sealant combines the best of both worlds with its hybrid formula, blending carnauba wax and advanced polymers. This makes it incredibly versatile and easy to apply. The product comes in a sleek bottle with a spray nozzle, making application a breeze. Simply spray on and buff off to reveal a deep, glossy shine. The quality of the CarGuys Hybrid Wax Sealant is evident in its durability. It provides up to 6 months of protection, repelling water and dirt effortlessly. The blend of carnauba wax ensures a rich, warm glow, while the polymers add a protective layer against UV rays and contaminants. This sealant is also highly effective on a variety of surfaces, including paint, plastic and glass. Its usability is enhanced by the no residue formula, which means you won't have to deal with any streaks or smears. At number 2, we have Color and Drive Car Ceramic Coating Kit. This kit is a comprehensive solution for those looking to give their car a professional-grade finish. The kit includes everything you need for application: a bottle of ceramic coating, a microfiber cloth, and an applicator pad. This packaging is designed to ensure you have all the tools for a flawless application. In terms of quality, the Color and Drive kit excels. The ceramic coating creates a hydrophobic layer that protects your car's paint from water, dirt, and UV rays. It also enhances the paint's gloss, giving your car a showroom finish. This coating can last up to 5 years, making it a long-term investment for your vehicle. Usability is straightforward with the included instructions guiding you step by step through the application process. The coating cures quickly, allowing you to enjoy the benefits almost immediately. With its impressive durability and ease of use, the Color and Drive Car Ceramic Coating Kit is a solid choice for car owners. Next up at number 3, we have POR 15 45308 Silver Rust Preventive Coating. This coating is a standard product designed to tackle one of the biggest enemies of cars, rust. This coating is formulated to bond with metal surfaces, creating a tough protective barrier that prevents rust and corrosion. Its silver finish adds a sleek look to the coated areas. The quality of POR 15 is unmatched in the industry. It is known for its durability, able to withstand harsh weather conditions and chemical exposures. Once applied, it forms a permanent bond with the metal, ensuring long-lasting protection. Usability is another strong point for POR 15. It can be applied directly over rusted areas after proper surface preparation. The coating dries to a raw hard finish that won't crack or peel. For those looking to preserve their car's metal parts, POR 15 45308 Silver Rust Preventive Coating is an excellent choice. The number 4 position is held by Aero Cosmetics Wet or Waterless Car Wash Wax Kit. This kit is perfect for those who want to clean and protect their car without using water. This kit includes a bottle of wash wax, a microfiber towel, and an applicator pad. The packaging is designed for convenience, allowing you to carry it easily and use it on the go. The quality of this product is impressive. The wash wax formula cleans the car's surface while leaving a protective wax layer. It's safe for all surfaces including paint, plastic and glass. The formula is biodegradable and eco-friendly, making it a great choice for environmentally conscious car owners. Usability is a key feature of the Aero Cosmetics kit. It's incredibly easy to use. Spray the wash wax on the car surface or wipe it off with a microfiber towel and you are done. The Waterless feature means you can use it anywhere, anytime. The number 5 position is dominated by CarGuys HOL 111, JetSeal and Preventive 53. This product is a dynamic duo for car enthusiasts. JetSeal is a durable sealant that provides up to a year of protection, while Preventive 53 is a high-gloss carnauba wax that adds depth and shine to your car's paint. The packaging includes both products, making it a comprehensive care kit. The quality of these products is top-notch. JetSeal creates a strong protective barrier against the elements including UV rays, rain, and pollution. Preventive 53 on the other hand enhances the paint's appearance with a deep, wet-look shine. Together, they offer superior protection and aesthetics. Usability is straightforward. Apply JetSeal first to clean and dry surfaces, allow it to cure, and then follow up with Preventive 53 for the ultimate shine. The combination of these two products ensure your car cannot look great but is also well protected. CarGuys HOL 111 JetSeal and Preventive 53 is a must-have for any car care routine. Next up at number 6, we have U-Pol Raptor Black Urethane Spray-On Truck Bed Liner Kit. This kit is designed for those who want to protect their truck bed from damage. The kit includes a spray gun and a bottle of urethane coating, making application easy and efficient. The packaging is robust, ensuring all components are well protected during transit. The quality of the U-Pol Raptor kit is exceptional. The urethane coating is highly durable, resistant to scratches, dents, and chemical spills. It forms a thick protective layer that shields the truck bed from heavy-duty use. The black finish adds a sleek look, enhancing the overall appearance of your truck. Usability is another highlight. The included spray gun makes application quick and even, ensuring complete coverage. The coating dries rapidly, allowing you to use your truck bed shortly after application. At number 7, we have Custom Shop U-Pol Raptor Black Urethane Spray. This spray offers the same great protection as the original Raptor kit, but in a more convenient spray can format. This makes it ideal for smaller jobs or touch-ups. The product comes in a well-designed can that ensures a smooth and even spray. The quality of this spray is impressive. The urethane formula provides a durable, protective layer that resists scratches, dents, and chemicals. It's perfect for touch-up or small projects where a full spray kit might be overkill. The black finish is sleek and professional, adding a polished look to your vehicle. Usability is a key feature of the Custom Shop spray. The spray can format makes it easy to apply even in hard-to-reach areas. It dries quickly, forming a tough, durable coating that lasts. The number 8 position is held by CarGuys Quick Detailer and UV Protectant. This product is a versatile product that provides both cleaning and protection. The product comes in a spray bottle, making it easy to apply. The packaging is practical, ensuring you can carry it with you for on-the-go detailing. The quality of this detailer is exceptional. It cleans your car's surface while leaving a protective layer that shields against UV rays. This helps prevent fading and keeps your car looking new for longer. The formula is safe for all surfaces including paint, plastic, and glass. Usability is another strong point. Simply spray the detailer on your car's surface and wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. The no residue formula ensures a strike-free finish. For those looking for a quick and effective way to clean and protect their car, CarGuys Quick Detailer and UV Protectant is an excellent choice. The number 9 position is dominated by Nasiol ZR53 Car Ceramic Coating Paint Protection. This product is a premium product designed to provide long-lasting protection for your car. The coating comes in a well-designed bottle with an applicator pad, making application straightforward. The packaging includes detailed instructions to ensure you achieve the best results. The quality of Nasiol ZR53 is outstanding. The ceramic coating creates a hydrophobic layer that repels water, dirt, and other contaminants. It also provides UV protection, preventing paint fading. The coating is incredibly durable, lasting up to 3 years with proper maintenance. Usability is simple with the included applicator pad and detailed instructions. The coating cures quickly, forming a tough, glossy layer that enhances your car's appearance. For those looking for top-tap paint protection, Nasiol ZR53 Car Ceramic Coating Paint Protection is a great investment. Last but certainly not least, at number 10, we have U-Pol 0820V Gun Black Truck Bed Liner Kit. This kit is a comprehensive solution for protecting your truck bed. The kit includes a spray gun and a bottle of black urethane coating, making it easy to apply. The packaging is robust, ensuring all components are well protected during shipping. The quality of this kit is top-notch. The urethane coating is highly durable, resistant to scratches, dents, and chemical spills. It forms a thick, protective layer that shields the truck bed from heavy-duty use. The black finish adds a sleek look, enhancing the overall appearance of your truck. Usability is straightforward with the included spray gun. It ensures a quick and even application, providing complete coverage. The coating dries rapidly, allowing you to use your truck bed shortly after application. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best ceramic car coatings. Whether you are looking for a durable protective layer or a high gloss finish, there's a product here for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more car care tips and reviews.